Hello friends, this is Jayalakshmi from Scope Department. Now I am going to explain the three features of OneDrive. The first one is file upload feature, the second one is synchronization feature, then the last one is files on demand feature. First, we'll see file upload feature. There are two ways to uploading the files in OneDrive. One is with the help of online mode, another one is offline mode. In online mode, first we have to create Microsoft 365 account. After creation of account, you just log in into a Microsoft account. There you will see the OneDrive tool. Click it on the OneDrive tool. Then you will get a window. There in the menu bar, you will see one of the option called upload. So click on the upload. It asks for two things. One is for files upload, another one for folders upload. You can upload anything from your local storage and upload the file and put it in the OneDrive. Then the next one is through offline mode. To upload files to OneDrive through offline mode, first we have to install the OneDrive app in your PC or your local device. So after installing the app, just open the file explorer, and in this, the left side of the pane, you may see the OneDrive folder. Click it on the OneDrive folder. There, you may have some of the documents and pictures, that kind of thing, that are the default ones. Then, drag and drop your whatever folders you want to share it, want to copy it in the OneDrive folder from your local folder. Now, in the online mode, the content is going to available in the cloud storage, and whenever you are logging into Windows Microsoft 365 in some other device, there you can access the particular file. But here, the file is going to available in both OneDrive as well as in the OneDrive local storage as well as the OneDrive cloud storage. But to provide the synchronization among these two things, we have to enable the synchronization option. That is for the second feature. So how to choose folders to synchronize? For that same, click on the notification area in your PC. It is in the notification area, you may get some cloud icon. You just click it on. There you see three dotted menu button in the top right corner. Again click it on there. You will get settings. In the settings, we just select nearby, select the account tab. Under account tab, you will get choose folders. By clicking the choose folders, it shows the make all files available option. There you can check the folders you want to make visible. Then click OK. Once you complete these steps, the files and folders you specified will be visible from your device. And this content you didn't specify using the OneDrive experience on the web. And you can use the same instructions to add or remove contents as needed. While enabling the synchronization status, that is, we have to see the 10 different categories status. First one is with respect to the OneDrive icon. The second one is with respect to file and folder status. With respect to OneDrive icon, if it is in solid white color, then the OneDrive is running without problem and synchronization is up to date. If it is in solid blue color, then it indicates OneDrive for business and there are no problems. And if it is in solid gray color, the OneDrive is running but it's not connected to any account or you are signed out. And if it is forming some arrows and circle means then the OneDrive is actually downloading or uploading files and folders to the cloud. Solid red with white X icon means the OneDrive is running but there are synchronization problems that require attention. Similarly, if you see nearby the files and folders that you have uploaded in the particular OneDrive folder, that is, you may get some file status. One is the white color that is white cloud with the blue border means file is only available when you are connected to the internet and it is not stored in the local storage. It is available in the cloud storage. If it is in white icon with the green border means the file is available in offline only. That is, the file is available in the local storage, that is not in the cloud storage. Solid green with a white check mark icon means always keep on this device, in the sense that is going to be available offline only. And the next one is solid red with white X icon means there is some problem with trying to synchronizing a particular folder or file. If it is forming some arrows and circle means it indicates the file is currently synchronizing. So after synchronization, we can move for the next feature called files on demand. So files on demand in the sense we are going to use the file either in cloud storage or in local storage by making by enabling the OneDrive files on demand. We can select the file as in cloud storage or the local storage. For that same, use the notification area. In the notification area, click on the cloud icon and click on the three dotted menu button in the top right corner. Then click on settings. Under settings, you may see files on demand option. In under this, check the save space and download files as you use them option. Once you complete these steps, OneDrive files on demand will be enabled on your device, and you can then right click on the files or folders for selecting free up space or always keep on this device. If you select free up space means the file is going to available with an internet connection, that is in the cloud storage. If you are selecting always keep on this device means the file is going to available offline, that is it is going to available only in the local storage. Thank you for patiently listening.